RAG confidence language explained, low/medium/high in English. Welcome! In this micro lesson, we'll learn how to express not just your idea, but how sure you are about it. Professionals trust people who calibrate their claims. When you align your language with the RAG system, red, amber/green, you signal your confidence level at a glance. That clarity helps teams decide faster, manage risk, and choose the right next step. We'll give you precise phrases so your words match your evidence. By the end, you'll know how to be clear, credible, and actionable in every update, email, and meeting. Here's the map. Red equals low confidence. Evidence is limited, noisy, or early stage. Use careful, hedging language to avoid overstating. Amber equals medium confidence. Evidence is mixed or incomplete, but there's a leaning. Show both sides and indicate where the balance points. Green equals high confidence. Evidence is strong, consistent, and replicated across sources. Speak plainly and commit, while avoiding absolutes. This shared code helps stakeholders interpret your message quickly and reduces misunderstandings, especially under time pressure. When confidence is red, signal uncertainty clearly and early so decisions stay cautious. Use words like uncertain, weak evidence, and tentative to prevent overcommitment. Helpful starters. We have limited data. Preliminary view. Early signals suggest. Example, we have limited data from one market. Early signals suggest a small uptick, but confidence is low. This framing invites further testing, protects against premature scaling, and shows you're responsibly managing risk. For amber, acknowledge both sides and show the tilt. Use terms like moderate evidence, likely, and on balance. Phrases that help. Evidence is mixed. It is plausible that, on balance, we expect. Example, evidence is mixed. On balance, it is likely that churn will rise 2 to 3% next quarter if pricing holds. This style guides prudent action. Move forward, but with contingencies and monitoring. You're not hedging endlessly. You're calibrating responsibly. With green, state conclusions firmly, not absolutely. Use strong evidence, highly likely, and we are confident to show commitment without pretending certainty. Useful lines. Multiple sources confirm. Results are consistent. We are confident that. Example. Multiple sources confirm a 15% cost reduction. Results are consistent across regions, so we are confident the savings will persist. This is decisive language that supports clear choices while keeping room for rare exceptions. When helpful, attach ranges: low 0 to 40%, medium 41 to 75%, high 76 to 95%. Avoid 0% or 100% unless you're dealing with impossibility or certainty, rare in real work. Pair numbers with plain labels so everyone understands. It's highly likely, approximately equals 80 to 85%, that usage will rebound. Quantification reduces ambiguity, enables scenario planning, and aligns risk appetite. If ranges feel too precise, keep them broad and explain the basis briefly. Boost credibility by naming the source and method briefly, based on internal billing logs and weekly cohort analysis. Note gaps, assumptions, and time limits. Assumes no pricing changes. Data covers weeks 1 to 8 only. Clearly separate facts from interpretation. Facts describe what happened. Interpretation explains why and what might happen next. This structure lets stakeholders challenge inputs without dismissing well-grounded conclusions, and it shows intellectual honesty. Make it a habit. Always match your words to the strength of evidence. Resist the urge to upgrade language just to sound confident. Clarity beats bravado. Common pitfall: mixing green verbs with red data, which confuses decisions. Another: failing to revisit confidence as new data arrives. Instead, revise confidence openly. With 2 more cohorts, confidence moves from amber to green. This builds trust and shows you manage uncertainty like a pro.